this is Winston. You know about it. On your new appointment, and we'll be thinking about it. And, you'll be on the other side of the world, long way from here, where the weather is a lot colder. I'm not too sure about the social scenery, but sometimes they get very interesting, but you're used to it. You know what I mean? But to come back.
I know.
Yeah. We'd love to see you back here, and we wish you well. When you do get back to New York, and certainly back to Israel. Say hello to all our friends in New York. Say hello to everyone who know where Fiji is. And as I said, all the best with your new appointment. You've been here and there, and you've done a lot of things over your years as a diplomat. And I have no doubt that you'll continue to serve the UN, certainly your country, with distinction. And we wish you well on that. So once again, thank you for all you've done to Fiji in over the span of 5 years since you've been here. You've not only been a friend of Fiji, but you're more than a friend. You're one of us, from a social point of view, from a political point of view, and from a biblical point of view. And you know what I mean? So it is now going to be sad when you leave us, but all good things must come to an end at some stage. We're going to be very sorry to see you go. We certainly look forward to engaging your successor. When he does take over from you when you leave. But you've done us a lot of pride and satisfaction the way you interacted. Not only within government, with NGOs and other non-governmental agencies in Fiji, but you can go back and claim that perhaps you're the first UNDP coordinator who made it to our home island up north. And I'm sorry.
This is the feather in my cap.
You and I were planning a return visit, but
I have to come back.
you come back. This time around, when you come back, I'll be fishing. But if I leave that long,
I'll join you.
Yeah, come and do it. And then we can compare notes some more. There, but Winston, and there to you, and I have no doubt you will find somewhere.
Oh, I'm so touched.
Mental peace at home, or just behind your desk in the office. But when you get lonely about Fiji, give it a bomb. So.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Shalom, shalom.
Thank you.
There we go.